Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. And let's get right into it, guys, because I would like to buy here and target it this high here. Stop loss below this low here. So let's get in here. Buy now at 4,506 to 4,507. Stop loss is below this low here. 4,800 and what is called E5 here. Right there. Yes. And then we're targeting this high right here. So let me know if you want to get in for this trade. If you don't want it, it's totally fine. I understand. Let's see if we can come up there. This is our hourly fair value gap right here. So I'm targeting this one. Going for this
Get shit
fair
on,
value gap
brother.
here. Hey, thank you for the follow. Nice and live stream. Hope you're doing well. Currently, we are in a downtrend. We just created this low. And now I'm looking for that higher low into this hourly fair value gap and then take it down here. So I bought here. I wanted to buy at 4,500, but we already tapped it once, twice. So I'm waiting for this bottom wick to flip and then come up here and break this high here. So I'm in here, guys, at 6-7. If you guys just joined right now, you can join here. Hope you're doing well, guys. Hope you're doing well. Hello, Storm. Storm, this time you can make it. First, nice. Great job, man. Great job. This time you can make it. Maxi, hello. Hey, Gliton. Nice to see you live stream. Woodpick. Nice to live stream. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back. Thank you, Paul. Hey, man, what happened? Friday stream? Friday stream. It's not Friday. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Hey there. Hey, Leon. Hello, Rule. How's it going, man? Yesterday I couldn't go live, guys. I couldn't go live. I had my personal reasons and I couldn't go live. I also were not live for the VIP yesterday. So the VIP had a little bit extended to stream today. So that's why I'm almost 2 hours late here. Let's see here. We're targeting the 15. I think so. 16, 18. Yeah. 18. And then the next one is going to be 30, right? In the hourly fair value gap. Let's see how it goes. Coming down to 501 again. Let's see. Price is playing around. Earlier we came down and we closed below 4,500. So in my VIP we were like, you know, selling here, right? To take it down, and it went down 70 pips, but it did not come down to sweep this low here. It did not come down to sweep the Asia low, and it did not come down to this low here. I was pretty confused by that, and then price went all the way up to 21. So unfortunately we hit a stop loss, but overall I think we are going down. But I just see that we can come into this hourly fair value gap first to then continue going down, right? Let's see. We can do it. No, I need to finish this one. Boom. So if you first join me now, you're getting a much better entry than me. I got in at 6 and 7 here because we came up, closed bullish above here, and then we tapped into the 06.8 level. If I take it from here, I think we are also here now. Yeah. We are in this 0.618 level right now. Price should come up from here into the hourly fair value gap. If it doesn't, then price wants to go lower down, and then we're not gonna get in our hourly order block, and then it's gonna be another stop loss for me. Stock market has already opened. New York session has already opened. We already swept the high here. We already swept the low here. So for me, I just need to see this now. Hourly fair value gap and then continuation down, right? That's what I want to see. So if you first join now, you get a much better entry than me, but I'm in a buy here from 6 and 7. So let's see here. We can hold this level. Currently, we are testing the buy zone again and again and again. Here, 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 and here. See if we can flip up from here. If we get a bearish fair value gap here now, then it's going to be difficult, right? But we tapped here 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we came down here, tapped again. We swept this low here. I'm looking to see if we can come up close above the buy zone, and buy it up to midpoint, and then the the sell zone, right? Let's see.
Get shit on, brother.
Oh man, true. For you, it's maybe it's Friday for you, Captain, or what? You didn't stream yesterday? Yes, yeah. I have my own personal reasons. I have my own personal reasons, man. Hello, what is your TP? My TP is 18. My TP is 18 right here. 18 right there. And then the next TP is the hourly fair gap at 30. Bro, it's obvious not to take it that trade on 1 minute. Got money on the short. I'm not looking at the 1 minute, man. I simply look at
Get
this.
shit on, brother.
You have an order block here. You had a retest of 4,500 here. A retest of 4,500 here. You had a retest of 4,500 here. A retest of 4,500 here, and you close bullish here. So you came into the 0.618 level and 0.78 level, got a bottom wick, and then if you can flip now, come up, break this high, and then come up into the hourly fair value gap, then we can take buy up to sell down, right? I was in at 4,499 for buy, but I closed it early, hard to trade alone. Yeah, but you got a little bit of profit, right? It came up to 11, 10, 9, pretty good. Or you were in here on this one. You came up to 21. If you were in here at 99 and you came up to 21, that's 220 pips. That's pretty good. Pretty nice. Okay, guys, there we go. That's our bottom wick right there. So if you can follow through here now and come up, flip this and come up into the hourly fair value gap. I took 8.58 off the short. What does that mean? What does that mean, Storm? You sold at 8 or what? You sold here at 8? And what was your TP? $8? Oh, I don't understand. What do you mean? You sold at $8? 4,502. Oh, okay, you sold at 4,502. So now you're in drawdown, or what? Or did you take profit here at the 96? We're currently at 503. You sold at 4,508.58, and then you took TP at 4,502. You got 60 pips. Is that what you're saying? So you sold from here and took profit here. This one. From here to here. Is that what you're saying? Yes. That's 60 pips. That's way too little for me, man. I cannot trade that. I'm sorry. I cannot trade that. At least 100 pips. Minimum 100 pips. I cannot trade see something on the lower time frame here and then sell here when I'm when I want to buy. It doesn't make sense for me. You had the 50-minute order block, tapped into it, respected again. It looks bullish to me. I don't know what you're seeing. Maybe you're seeing something like this, that we're here or something. I don't know what you're looking at. Maybe you're looking at something on the low time frame. I don't know. Okay, guys, we're back at entry. If you entered later because you just came on to the stream, you're probably in here at 97 or 501 or 502, something like that. I'm in here at 6 and 7. So if you're in already at 96 here, guys, or 97, sorry, it didn't go to 96, 97 or 98, you could go risk-free now and take some partial. It's up to you. I will wait for 100 pips and then I will go risk-free and take partial. Yo, Sabin. We are currently in this bar here. We bought here at 6 and 7. Price came all the way down to 96. So some people probably entered way better than me. Okay, guys, there we have a beautiful bottom wick, and now we're flipping. Look at that. See that high? Right there. Boom. You see that, Storm? So what would you rather have? 60 pips here on the sell, or would you have 200 pips here on the buy? I'm just asking you, man. Right? Let's see. Let's see. So it swept the liquidity to both sides. Beats my guy. Hey, that ball guy. I did the buy at 506. You've been good, eating well. Hey, bro, price has been consolidating a lot and doing all this kind of back and forward. We unfortunately lost the trade in VIP. We're trying to sell down here from 95. And price did come down to 88. But it was 70 pips for me. And I had like a target down here at 76. I would have gone risk-free after 100 pips. But yeah, it is what it is. Came down 70 pips. I didn't go risk-free. And then it came up again and it hit 21. I don't know why it had to go from 88 to 21. I honestly didn't understand it because we did close below 500. So it shouldn't have gone up again. But it did. And now it's targeting this hourly family gap. So that's what we're doing. We're buying up to the hourly family gap to sell it down. Thank you for the follow, Warren. Kiss, Maxi, OG, Brist, Arctic, Mr. Young, T. Roy. We're currently in a buy. We bought here at 506, 507. And we are targeting this hourly order block here. Sorry, hourly family gap. But I'm looking for the TP here at 18. Right here. Okay. Open price at 503. TP 11. Thanks. You really take small trades, huh? But you're welcome, man. As long as you got some money. Let's see. Let's see, guys, if we can come up and target 30 or 25. All right, broke even from last trade. Thanks. You're welcome here. Let's see if we can get it up into the hourly family.
Get shit on, brother.
Oh, don't have a large account and a prop firm account, so it's mainly scalping. Shouldn't it be opposite? When you have a prop firm, shouldn't you have a large account? If you have your own live trading account, you cannot do a lot of deposit, right? Because it's your own account. But if you have a prop firm, you should have a huge account, right? What? Wait, so you bought a 1K account instead of just depositing 1K yourself? Bro, you could have bought a 100K prop firm account for $300 or $700. Why would you spend your money on a 1K account? The 1K account is for $1. Okay. I don't know, bro. It's way $1,000 on the prop firm. That's crazy. Okay. Well, whatever works for you, man. Whatever works for you. Like, if I want, I'm not gonna go on a funded account, but if I were to go on a funded account, I would at least purchase a 100K account. Everything below is nonsense because I can put 10K myself or 20K myself or 30K or 50K. Like, so if I want to have more than that, you know, prop firm at least 100K. Like, why would I get a 25K or 50K or 10K prop firm? Like, doesn't make sense in my book. Anyway, let's see. I don't know how to count pips properly, but I made 50%. Roy, bless you, man. You're welcome. Welcome. Let's see, guys, if we can come up to 18. We can tap 18, then we can go risk-free and take partial. Not very far away. I guess we're starting to form something like this now, maybe. Or if we are starting to form a triangle pattern here, could also be. So this is the TP, right? Let's see. Holding from entry you provided in profit. Let's go, free boy. If you had to choose a prop firm for 100k, which one would you consider taking? I know there's a lot of different prop firms. Like the only prop firm I've heard really good about is FTMO. Because I know that for sure is 100% legit because they've been there for many years. Every single prop firm that hasn't been there for like 5-10 years, like, don't do it. Like, it's risky. You don't know if they're regulated. You don't know if it's a scam or something like that. Like, I like, you know, the things you have heard about FTMO is legit. Like, you cannot be scammed by FTMO. So I would choose FTMO, but I have no affiliate link or anything like that. If you want to join the prop firm with me, you can check out the Monaxa, but like, it's not something I recommend. It's just, if people don't have their own money to trade for their own for themselves, like, of course you have to choose a prop firm, right? But I would never recommend to choose a prop firm. But if I should recommend one, it would be FTMO and the one that I'm affiliated with, Monaxa, right? Here, do I still have? Do I still have? I don't think I have it anymore. Let's see. I'm checking here, guys, if I still have the link to the prop firm. Don't think I have because I don't really market that. I'm just checking. Okay, here, guys. Here, I still have it. This is the link. This is the one I use for prop firm. This is the one I use for prop firm. You can check it out. See if the link is affiliate link, so of course it's gonna support me. So if you decide to do a prop firm and you don't want to do FTMO, then you can try the one that I'm affiliated with. But just know that it supports me as well, right? So yeah, I don't want you to click on it if you don't need a prop firm. I would always recommend you to trade on your own accounts, your own live accounts, because I'm not a big fan, a huge fan of prop firms. But if you have to because you have no funds, like, check it out. Sorry, you have been blocked. You're unable to access monax.com. Let me check. What? What is the problem? What is the problem? What are the confluence for this trade?
Get shit on, brother.
One, we came down to the previous order block here, tapped into it, and decided not to come down and break this low. So we bounced off it. The hourly closed bullish above with an order block. The 30-minute respected 4,500. We came up and broke above here at 4,513. Then we came down, created a bullish order block here, and came down and swept liquidity from this previous order block here. And now you're currently sweeping liquidity to both sides. And you're in this triangle formation here. So either you're going to have to see something like this or something like this. And also there's an hourly Fibonacci gap up here, bro. If you go to the hourly, you can see here, there's an hourly Fibonacci gap that haven't been tapped yet. So I would like to see that being tapped as well. I don't need much on the buy. I am overall looking to continuation sells down to the 200 ASMA. But I'm just looking for price to come up and sweep this hourly Fibonacci gap. Is it allowed in the US? Ooh, I don't know. The US have a lot of restrictions, Storm. US have a lot of restrictions. It's not easy in USA. Probably it's not. Probably they don't allow it in the US. Let's see. We can hit the TV here.
Very simple. If you buy an Apple.
Let me see here if I can put some music on here. Elite. What is it called? Elite epidemic sound here. So you have this one. Oh, that's too 40. That's too calm. Heard this so many times. But this one. Whatever. Hasn't the hourly been swept on that big bullish candle? Which one? You mean this one? This top wick here? But it didn't hit the hourly Fibonacci gap. It didn't hit the hourly Fibonacci gap. Why is it rejecting? Trying new support. Yeah, music to suit the savage beat. Yeah, it's epidemic music doesn't have a lot, you know. Doesn't really have a lot. Yeah. Let's see, guys, if we can keep holding this up. Or if it's just gonna consolidate all day long until it makes a move, sweeps this, and then continue down. I'm not looking for much, to be honest. I just want price to come up in that hourly Fibonacci gap so we can sell. That's it. That's it. Will you make live tomorrow? I'm thinking about it because I was not live Tuesday. Do travel gaps always get filled later or sooner? Yeah, on the lower time frame, it always gets filled at some point. But on the daily, weekly, and monthly, you have to wait for a long time sometimes for travel gaps to be filled. Wow.
Arnold's 243 just subscribed for 3 months in a row.
Thank you so
Future
much.
239 high fam batter up.
Thank you so much for the subscription tier 1 for 3 months in a row, Anderson. Thank you so much. Nice to see you on live stream. It's been 3 months already. That's crazy. That was a little bit too loud. That was a little bit too loud. Where can I... It was very loud for you guys, wasn't it? Maybe I can... Let's go. Maybe I can lower the volume on this one a little bit. Yeah, I will do it after the stream. I have to remember to lower the volume a little bit because sometimes the music and then the stream deck and then the subscription and stuff like that is very different volume. 15-minute closed bearish flash. Yeah, it did, but it closed bearish above 4,500, right? Closed bearish above 4,500. Didn't break 4,500, right? No. If it closed below 4,500, then I would be worried a little bit. But then again, remember when we had this 15-minute closure on VIP earlier? We still managed to come up above 4,500. IDC8 back into the entry. Let's roll. Hey, yo. So you have 2 trades now. Wow. So you've got profit for the first trade, and now you're getting profit for the second trade. Amazing. If we get a 50-minute bearish closure below the 4,500, then I would be a little bit worried, Flash. But since we're still holding 4,500, and since you're still above the buy zone, right? Then I think it's okay. But yeah, we need to move stop loss once we hit 15. For sure. For sure. So guys, I'm not gonna take partial at 15. I'm gonna take partial at 18, but I will go risk free once we hit 15. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, back at entry again. If you got a much better entry than me, probably you're in here, 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 or here. Then remember after 100 pips to go risk free. What the fuck is this? Hit the long 4,505. Yeah, same. I'm in here at 6 and 7. But nothing has changed, Dawn. I went in at 5, 6, and 7 when we were here at this bottom wick. And I was still in here. And I was still in here. So you probably took a sell, you took a buy, you took a sell, you took a buy. Which is nice. I'm happy for you if you win the trades. But if you lose a bunch of trades and then at the time you save my trade and then we win, you know, it's not going to give you anything, right? Like, Anyway, guys, here we go. We are moving 20 pips here. My entry is a little bit higher, but I should get some pips. Let's see. We need to take out the 15. Then we need to go risk-free. And then we need to hit TB1 at 18. Alright. What are the odds of coming live tomorrow? I try to set myself up for it. It very much depends. I have a lot of stuff to do during the weekend, so I might be busy and preparing some other stuff tomorrow. But if I see that, oh, there is a window here where I can go live, sure. Okay, you guys who registered on the prop firm broker, guys, you need to go to prop firm and then click on the 100k or the 200k or which prop firm, which amount of money you would like to have right on the prop firm. Okay, let's see here. Moving 20 pips, guys. Let's see if we can get a 15-minute bullish candle here. Engulfing this. EP live tomorrow? Maybe, Per. Maybe. Okay. I know I didn't go live yesterday, but you got a longer stream today. And you know what the target is. You know what the target is, Per. We're not really so interested in all these things around it. Like, we just want to go there, to go here, and then boom. You know, like I even made a video about it, and I will post it in the VIP after this. You stream on YouTube? I'm live on YouTube. Yes, Storm. I'm live on Twitch and I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, I think. Not sure. Sometimes TikTok and Instagram is bugging. But Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, yeah. You have to watch the Lambo in this weekend? Lol. Come on, guys. Can we get it? Paul, are you in this trade? No pressure, man. Worst case, I will see you on Tuesday. At some point, I will go VIP. You're too good at this. Thank you, Paul. Thank you. Do you trade pre-market in VIP? If so, what time do you start? Yes, I start 1 hour before the New York session. We go live at 2 p.m. my time, 2 p.m. European time. And the New York session opens at 3 p.m. and the stock market open at 3:30 p.m. Okay? So 1.5 hours before the stock market open and 1 hour before the New York session open. That's when we go live, pre-New York session. Okay, guys, we're moving here. 30 pips. See if we can hit the 18. So you see, Flash, even though we had a 15-minute bearish candle here, it doesn't mean anything when you don't break 4,500. That's why I'm saying I don't care about green candles and bullish candles and bearish candles, as long as it doesn't go through my levels. Obits, my girlfriend, promised me if end this week and profit, she will take me out for dinner this weekend. So far, so good. Already looking at menus. Let's go. Let's see if we can hit 18, bro. Then you can take your lovely girlfriend on a really nice date. Remember, rule to go risk-free once we hit 15, and then have your TB at 18, right? Next TB is going to be 30. And that is in case we come up to the 25 level and we take out the 25 level and then hit 30, 31, 32. That's why we have TB2 there, right? But I'm not telling... you can't be sure that we're going to 30. Price might come up to 25 and say, hasta la vista, baby, right? Maybe sweep like 27, something like that. You don't know. Depends on the hourly fabric gap. Is it too late now? I mean, we're 30 pips in profit. You can still make it, but it's pretty big stop loss if you want to take it from there. I'm from Scandinavia, Storm. I'm a Scandinavian man. And you're from America. From USA. USA. I come from USA. I like sex. I like you. This is my sister. My name is Borat. Borat. I like the USA. Hit TB2 and your girlfriend might just give you more than just a dinner. Oh. It's really being put up here for Rule. Now he got pressure. I mean, Rule, I have no pressure. It's you who have pressure. Scandinavia can be Sweden, Norway, Denmark, or Finland. You can take your guess. I'm not gonna give you the answer. I see 4,528 and drop. Great, bro. That means that we're gonna eat today, right? I'm originally from Liberia. Oh, does VIP provide signals during London session? Sometimes. We had a London session trade last week, but mostly it's Asia session and New York session. So how it normally goes is that we go live for pre-New York session. We might get a live signal there. Sometimes we don't. And then after Twitch stream or during the Twitch stream, we hit our entry or hit our zone in VIP. Or the Twitch stream stops and ends, and then we continue on the VIP, and then we hit our zone and our trade. And then the trade runs through the New York session, maybe into Asia session, we get another trade there. Or it starts doing the Asia session, and then it runs until New York, and we get another trade there. Or we take one in London, and then it ends in New York session, right? It depends. It depends on what the market is giving to us. I'm not gonna enter if I don't see a setup. And for me, the only setup I can see now is the hourly fairvalue gap, because if you break that hourly fairvalue gap, you're going up, right? You're gonna go back to 4,600. So I see the hourly fairvalue gap, and then I see 4,350. That's what I see. That's all. SP Sile, thank you so much for the subscription. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Anyways, nice to have someone in the same time zone. Well, it's always great to see some familiar faces, isn't it? I can hear where you're from. Your accent, I'm Swedish. I recognize the Scandinavian brother. Let's go, pair. Let's go. But guys, I hope you will respect my privacy and my family. So I'm just gonna tell you, I am a Scandinavian citizen, and I'm a Scandinavian man, and we're not gonna go any closer than that. Okay? Sell limit at 28. Agree. Flash, look at VIP. Look at VIP, my friend. And don't put it in the chat, Flash, please. You do Asia? Yes, I do Asia session. I do Asia session. I like Asia session, actually. Most of the time, Xauusd moves during the Asia session. Hi, bro. AGBT. I don't see. You don't see it? Go to the VIP section, and then go to the tab where it says VIP Pro. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, Ronex. And the
Get
same
shit
buy as
on,
you.
brother.
Let's go. AP followed. Nice to see you live stream. Hope you're doing well, man. Let's see, Ronex, if we can hit 15 and then TB at 18. And then maybe into the hourly February Cup. Fire today, not gonna lie. At your website, the VIP enroll link doesn't work. Hey, app, if you want to join VIP, reach out to my team. The VIP section in the on my website doesn't work right now because I need to figure out, do I want to put the
Get
6
shit
month
on, brother.
there? Do I want to put the 1 month there, or do I want to put new week, new deal, right? Because sometimes we have a new week, new deal, right? And that could be, you know, any number, right? Sometimes we just have the 1 month, which is the $149 per month. And sometimes we have a 6 month. Right now we have the 6 month, right? So you can purchase 6 months VIP for $5.99, including tax, right? This is included tax. Or you can choose 1 month for $149. But reach out to my team and they will let you know. Okay? Oh, okay. So many chats. Do you see it now? Flash, do you see it now? Go to Freedom, chat, and then scroll down to the VIP Pro. Go in there, check the signal. All right? Okay, guys, we're moving a little bit. Come on. We closed bullish above 4,505. Let's see if we can move. Nice candles. I can show you my candle.
Get shit on, brother.
The little Minecraft guy. Thank you so much for the follow. Nice seeing you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well, guys. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
You think I can still buy, or is it too late? You can still buy, but you're gonna have a 30 pip worse entry than me. But some of the people they took a too early trade, so they got an even better entry than me. Sometimes it's good to be late, sometimes it's good to be early. It depends. I'm in here at 506 and 507, and I'm not gonna change that. So if you want to join, you can get an entry, but it will be your own entry. Okay. But I definitely don't think it's too late to get in. I mean, 508 is still good, but at your risk. I mean, if he gets in at 508 and then he puts stop loss at 84 or 85, I mean, it's 230 pips, right? And see, guys, if you can clap it, you can break the high. Like, why? I don't understand why price is consolidating here. Why couldn't price go up here and then consolidate here before moving down? I don't understand. Why do we have to consolidate here to go up to then go down? Like, I don't understand. Like, just go up there, bro. Consolidate here and then go down. Like, what the fuck are you doing down here? Like, also, when we were down here, like, okay, you're breaking the low, you're breaking the low, you're breaking the low. And then you come down here to 88, and then you have to go all the way back up again, but you don't even hit the hourly. Gold is plain. Gold is plain. I'm on Blitunix, so it's 5/5/12 from me. I'm new, by the way, so I low-key don't know anything. Minecraft guy, if you want if you want to learn how to trade from scratch, you can either watch for free here every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday when I go live here doing the stock market open, and the hourly after the hourly has closed after the stock market open. Or you can also join the community and learn from there. But I think the VIP for you would be a little bit difficult because you are totally new. So I would highly recommend the bootcamp. If that's something you would like to learn from scratch, or I can send you some videos if you reach out to me on Telegram. But reach out to my team and see what we can do for you. Because I would really like for you to learn how to trade, but I don't know if you can learn a lot by being here. I think you can learn over time, but since the numbers are different because you're on another broker, and since we're consolidating and it's manipulation now and a lot of things are going on, like you literally joined the stream at a manipulation move at the lowest support, right? If you break 4,300, you're going down to 4,000 and 3,500, right? So we are looking for that support down at 4,300, 4,400, 4,500 to go up now. So a lot of manipulation can go on here now, so it's going to be very tough for you to trade. But if you're in here 12 now, that means for me 8 is here and that's 10 for you. So if I'm at 12 now or 11 now, you should be at 14, right? Are you at 14 now? Are you at 14 now? Is it a 14 now? GPT? Yeah, we have TB at 30. 13 right now. Okay. Are you in the buy now? Minecraft guy? If you want to get in for the buy, you just have to know that I'm looking for the first TB here. So if price comes up here and rejects, then we are going to be risk-free. Risk-free means we move stop loss. So the stop loss you're putting, we move that above entry for a risk-free trade. So we are completely risk-free. We are not risking anything. And we can only make money going up. Okay? So once we come up here and I say go risk-free, then you should either take your profit or you should move your stop loss. Because price can reject and come down from here. Okay? But I'm expecting price to come up here in this box. You see this red box here? From 21 to 27. Probably it's going to be 25 to 33 for you. Okay? I can't guide you on anything else than what you're seeing here on the stream, because I don't know your broker, I don't know your situation. But if you would like to know how to trade, reach out to my team and we can figure out something for you. And if they don't understand what you want, then you can reach out to me directly as well. We can definitely figure out something. Every single new person should always feel welcome and learn and not feel trapped and alone. Okay, that's always my motto. Like, new people should always feel welcome. Always. Shouldn't feel like they're all alone. Sorry, but I have low quality 480p. Anyone else on this stream has a 480p quality right now? Minecraft, it sucks. Minecraft is actually a good game. I like Minecraft, but I just think I grew away from it because now I mean, how can I say I grew away from it? Because I'm still playing Fortnite, right? It's also a childish game. I think all games are good. So yeah, but Minecraft is not a bad game. I don't know why you say this though. Twitch is 1080, fine. What languages do you understand? Portuguese? Oh yeah, if you understand Portuguese, Minecraft guy, then Flash can talk to you. Flash is also a long-term viewer here, and he is always helpful as well. I didn't know you were such a sweet guy, lol. Me? Peter, how many times have you been watching me? How many times have you been watching me? You don't know I'm a sweet guy? I might sound like a little bit rude when I face you guys and look you in the eye and say like you suck when when you're like putting a stop loss too early or something like that. But that's not that's not because I mean it negatively. I genuinely want you to learn, right? I want you to learn that For me, putting stop loss below here, stop loss below here, it doesn't make sense because you have this triangle formation. This is your support, this is your support, and it's your support, but price can come down, grab liquidity here. So I put my stop loss down here, right? That's the thing, right? And same thing with holding trades. I'm a very, very big lover of holding trades long term. I don't like the small scalps, like holding like 50 pips, 20 pips, 10 pips, something like that. I really don't like it. I prefer 100 pips plus, and even better 500 or 1000 pips. So I always hold trades, and people, they learn from, you know, they come from a place where they're used to this, right? 10 pips, 20 pips, and then stop loss, same 10 pips, 20 pips, something like that. And it's just not my thing. And when I say that, people find me rude, or people find like I'm not a nice guy. So I'm actually surprised that, you know, people don't know I'm a nice guy, because I'm just me, you know, and I'm just humble, and I just want you guys to feel good and feel secure. But I don't want to lie to you. So I want to be honest with you. If you fuck up, you fuck up, right? If I fuck up, I fuck up, right? Like we don't want to put it in a gift paper or something like that. We don't want to pack it in, right? We want to be honest and out of the box. If we fuck up, we fuck up. If you fuck up, you fuck up, right? You gotta learn from it. You gotta take your lessons. And lessons are important, right? Every single trade is a lesson, right? Learn from it, grow from it, become better, right? Does Pig Latin count as a language? I have no idea what that means, bro. Could you give a quick lecture about pips, how to calculate? Yeah, sure. If you have a normal default 1 to 500 or 500 to 1 leverage, then if you take a 0.01 trade on a USD STP broker, STP account, then when you go from 90 to 100 here, 500, from 90 to here, that's 100 pips right here. From 90 to 4,500, 490 to 4,500, that's 100 pips. So this box here, this box here, this box here, these 3 boxes, from this and these 3 boxes up, and from this 3 boxes down, that's 100 pips. That means from 0.01 and 100 pips up, you will make $10 on a 0.01 lot size. That means if you put 0.1, that means you're gonna make $100. If you put 1 lot, you're gonna make $1,000. Okay, that's simply how it is. If you have a default. But if you use like 300 to 100 or 1,000 to 10 or 20 to 40 or whatever it is, I have no idea, bro. I just use a default leverage, and I just calculate it from 0.01, and then I know if I move the comma or the punctuation, 1 slot, boom, $100, $1,000. Very, very, very simple. 100 pips, $10 on a 0.01. $100 on a 0.1. 1 lot, $1,000. Simple as that. Nothing like we have to take like the mathematical correlation into the Fibonacci retracement observation over the seas running from the mountain, doing the blue wise-eyed dragon coming into Yu-Gi-Oh, doing this in voracious lightning bolt that's coming from Demon Slayer going into Nezuko's like a third leg, like, you know, and then blackout, right? Twitch is annoyed. It's like, stop, bro, shut the fuck up. Blackout, guys. I will change the battery. It's not like a crazy mathematical like calculation, right? It's not rocket science. It's just moving 10 small points here from 500 to 510, or from 490 to 500, 100 pips. Right? If you're on Sense account, of course, it's not going to be 100 pips. It's going to be 1,000 pips. Right? Like, it's that simple. Okay, guys, we're hitting the triangle formation again and again and again. Now, if we cannot break it here, most likely we're going down here. And that means we're going to go back and forward here in this triangle formation. And at some point, we're going to break the low. Or at some point, we're going to break the high. Since I don't really want to be stuck in this, what I want to wait for here now is for this hourly to close above 10. If price closes above 10 here, then I could see see this trade continue. And we could get a little bit of a fair value gap here. And maybe we can break out here, right? But if you don't break it, then most likely price can come down again and it can hit my stop loss, right? So I'm gonna wait here and see here if you're gonna close above 10 on this 1 hourly, on this hourly closure here in 1 minute. I see, can we close above 10? We're currently at 11. Okay. Okay, hourly just closed, guys, and we got a tiny fair value gap here from 9 to 11. So the next 15 will determine whether this is going to be a good fair value gap or not. And boom, here we go. We're coming up to 14 here. Guys, from 6 to 14 and 15 here. That's going to be 100 pips if you entered at 6. There we go. Right there. TB is going to be up here. Guys, we're going to go risk-free. Risk-free here. Stop loss above entry for risk-free trade. And let's see if we can hit TB1. TB1 is going to be 18. Ready? Come on. Can we hit 18? Right here, baby. Right here. Don't be a pussy now. Come on. Don't be a pussy. Come on. We broke out here. We closed above. We stopped here, creating a little fair value gap. That means that the 15 closes here. That means we can retest here and continue up here. So close. 20 pips away here, guys. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Come on.
It's so big!
Why are you running?
And there
Why
we
are
go,
you running?
guys.
Why are you running?
100 plus pips.
Why are you
TB1,
running?
baby. Let's gold. 110, 120 pips here. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE. 4,500 and 6.2. If you're in a 6, if you're in a 7, then 7.2, okay? All right. I mean, that's 6.0, so it's 6.2. But I realized that price spiked up when we entered. TB1 here. That's 110 plus pips. Maybe 120, depending on your entry, right? I just put 110, okay? Let's see if we can manage to come up to TB2. TB2 is going to be 30. Why? Because then we sweep the hourly fair value gap. I'm not sure we're going to go there. We might come up here to 25 or 26 or 27 or 28, and then we're just going to roll over and come down. But if we can sweep this, come up here, fill the entire fair value gap, and then roll over, and we can get a 50-minute bearish closure, then we could sell it down from there. Okay? Good? You made some money, guys? Yes? And Jeet, you took 2 trades, right? You took your own trade with me. Like you came in a little bit later, and then you took the next one. Lol here. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Like, did you literally just say that to the candle? Like, come here, kitty, 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 come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Nice. Okay, all right, guys. And if you like what I'm preaching here, if you like what you're seeing, and if you enjoy these kind of trades and you want to learn more, then try to join the VIP for 6 months. 6 months, $5.99. Once we come down and we grab the bottom on gold, we're gonna buy it up also up to all-time high. And if it comes up and rejects the all-time high, then we're gonna sell it all the way down to 3,500. And those are the big trades you can learn from VIP. Like, instead of these small trades, these scalps and intraday trading or everything. I have nothing against scalping, intraday trading, day trading, all these things. But for me, it's much more cool to take 1,000 pips and 10,000 pips and 100,000 pips, right? Than taking like 100 pips or 50 pips or 20 pips. But it's up to you. It's your style. It's the way you trade, right? But risk-free here. TV1, 110 pips, and let's see if we can come up to the hourly fairly gap. That's where we're gonna look for sells. Okay? Yes? If you wanna get in for VIP, reach out to my team. Amazing, I'm out, taking profit. Let's go, Sadias. Let's gold. And do know that the team both has like the 149, 1 month VIP, 149. If you just want 1 month, if you want to try it out, see what it's all about. And if you want the 6 months, it's going to be $5.99. So you're going to save 50% almost, right? Because if you say 149 times 6 months, it's going to be way higher, and that's not including tax. So that's going to be on top of that. So $5.99 is included with tax. If you're not interested in that, you just want to trade yourself, or you want me to trade for you, then we have copy trading. That's going to be 100% free. You simply put $1,500, and then you can do $1,500 or $2,500, and then you can do 100% bonus or 50% bonus or 20% bonus depending on your country, and then we split the profit as we go up or go down, right? So yeah, if you take 100% bonus because your country allows it, then you can get $3,000 from this or $5,000 from this, and then I will trade your money. You don't have to do anything. I do everything. It's 100% hands-free. So I do the TP, stop losses, entries, everything, right? If you just want free content, well, stay here. And I'm live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Yesterday I was not live because I had my own personal reasons. But yeah, we're moving up. I have a question. You give a ton of info here on live stream. You sell boot camps. Where can I see the prices for them? What subjects you touch in? Where do I mention? Okay, yeah, Paul. You can reach out to my team. Okay, reach out to my team. Reach out to my team here. Yeah, there you go. Here you go. Can you see this? Can you see this link, Paul? Ask my team what the bootcamp includes. They will send you a full list of all the things that is included. But what I can tell you is that you learn from scratch how to trade, and you can just skip that because I know you are more experienced than that. And then you can go to the more experienced trading, right? The more experienced kind of trading. So you learn from scratch, then you learn from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 7, and level 6, right? And level 6 is also included with the links to all the, volume and the absorption levels and all the, what you can say, the heat map, and also the futures. And so you get all these links so that if you want to, really go professional, or you want to be serious about it, you have all the info, all the links to everything that professional traders are looking at when they're taking a trade. If you think I'm only looking at this when I take a trade, then you don't know I have a third monitor over here where I'm looking at the heat map, I'm looking at the absorption levels, I'm looking at the COD data, and we're using all these kind of information to make more confluence for our trades, right? So what I see currently at the moment is that we have a lot of orders that is accumulating here. Price going to go back and forward here, and at some point we're going to break down, we're going to come down, and then somewhere around here 4,400 or 4,350 we're going to hit the 200 SMA, and then the banks and the institutions are going to buy gold again, and then regardless of oil, DXY, inflation, whatever it is, price action wise, absorption level wise, all the sellers are going to be squeezed. What I see is that we go all the way back up here to 4,800, and once we reach 4,800, then price can either come down and dump one more time, or we're gonna go up to all-time highs, test that. So you're gonna squeeze all the sellers. All that you see here is that you get more and more sellers, more and more seller pressures, and then price starts going down, and people, yes, I'm selling, put more sells, and then when they put all their full margin, retail traders, right? And when they put the full margin, price is going to go up to all-time highs, and they're going to squeeze because people are thinking, oh, it's just here, it's just a lower high, it's just a lower high, it's just a low high, and then they're going to lose all their money, right? That's what we're seeing currently at the at the heat map, and that's currently what we're seeing, that the institutions and the banks they're buying, right? They put 7,000 orders, and those orders are not gonna happen by themselves, right? In order for them to grab those orders, they need liquidity. Where do they get liquidity? In this hourly fair value gap, to then push price to come down, right? So I'm expecting price to go down to the 200 SMA. Here, I'll show you. 200 SMA here, right here. I'm expecting price to come down here either tomorrow, Friday, or next week. Once we tap it, then you look for buying opportunities, and when you get it, you can take price up to 4,800. So yeah, that's some of the things you can learn from the bootcamp, for example, right? All right, guys, we came up to 20. Took profit. Thanks, man. You're welcome. I don't have courses, Storm. It's a boot camp because that's what it is. It's literally just me going live for 3 days, explaining everything that I learned for the past 15 years. And then I record that boot camp, and then I put it as a material that people can then rewatch and rewatch and rewatch, right? So if they purchase the boot camp, they can just watch it again and again and again and again and again. And watch it forever, right? It's always going to be available. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not super new, but I feel like a level 99 just spoke to me like I'm a level 1. Impressive, bro. You're probably level 5, right? And you need to level 6 and you'll need level 7. And that's basically just gonna be the difference between you and I, or the difference between a professional trader and you, is probably that you see all the levels, you see where to buy, you see where to sell, you see where to put your stop loss, but you need the liquidity levels, the liquidity pockets, and you need to know exactly where the institutions are buying, and you need to know exactly where the gold is going to tap out, and there's no more silver, there's no more gold, so the demand is going to be much higher. For example, if you go to Comex, you can see on their website, right? You can see they're almost out of silver. What does that tell you? That tells you that silver is going to be much more valuable. So when price comes down on silver and reaches 74, or it comes down and sweep this low here, right here at the 73, then you could come down into this liquidity pocket right here. And between 69, of course always 69, right, and 59, I will be looking to accumulate buys for silver to go to 300 silver and 500 silver. So I have my first buy here, second buy here, third buy here, and then fourth buy here, right? 48 is the lowest I could see silver go to ever the next 10 years. Next time we're gonna go to $300 or $500, and then from there we can find support at $100 and go to 1,000, right? So once they're out of silver, then you're gonna see much more demand for silver and gold. And then I don't care about the yields, I don't care about the S&P 500, I don't care about oil, I don't care about DXY. I just look at price action, just buying the dip on gold, 4,350. Buying the dip, 4,500. Buying the buying the dip, 4,700. Buying the dip, 4,900. 5,000, 5,300, 5,500, 6,000, except all the way up to 7,500, right? My target, guys, for 2026 is $7,700 on gold. When going for a swing trade, do you maintain the same lot size or do you downside? No. So as I always say, Yvid, for small trades, I will do higher lot size because smaller trades has smaller stop losses, right? So I can do 0.1 or 0.05 on sorry, let me try again. I can do one lot down to 0.1 on small trades because I can do more lot size, right? But for big trades that I'm holding long term, I cannot do one lot because if you move 1,000 pips, you're gonna lose your account even if you're on 10k account, right? If you have a 100k account, you're gonna lose 10% of your account. It's just not worth it, right? So I will do 0.1 down to 0.05. And what I do is I scale out the 0.05. So let's say I will buy 4,350. I'll put 0.02. And then I'll buy at 4,400. I'll put 0.02. And then I'll put at 4,500. I'll put 0.01, right? Then I hold 0.02, 0.02, and 0.01. I hold that all the way up to 5,400. right before the all-time high at 5,600, right? And what I do is I will take partial by closing this one here, and then let these three run. Take partial of this one, so I still have runners here, and then I'll make much more than I would ever do from just taking 100 pips or 1,000 pips, because this one could potentially go up to 7,700, right? But this is just 0.05. I'm probably gonna take more because I believe this is the dip for a long time. I said to you guys on live stream, I don't know if some of you have been here for a few months, but I said to you a few months ago, and you also see my YouTube video online, that my target is 3,500, but the 4,400 level is the minimum if the 200 SMA starts sloping up. And that's exactly what happened when we were down here. When we were down here at 4,000 and didn't come down to 3,500, the 200 SMA was here. Then start sloping up, start sloping up, start sloping up, and now you can see the 200 SMA is here at 4,369. But if this SMA is going to be at 4,380 later today, and we come down, we touch it, and we create bullish structure, then you can buy for the all-time high. Because then you touched it. You almost touched it back here. You almost touched it, but you didn't touch it. Now it looks like you touched it because, of course, it's sloping up, right? But let me take the original one here. Let me just delete this one because this one is combined with all the others. Let's see if you do this. Let me show you. So we move an average here and put the 200. Let me show you. Boom. Yeah. Loading. Why is it loading so much? There we go. You see? Almost touched it. You didn't touch it, but you almost touched it. You were 60 pips away. 60 pips away from touching the 200 SMA. It haven't happened for a long, long time. I'm 99% sure now that what we are going for now is the hourly fair value gap to go down to the 200 SMA here at 4,365.69. Okay? Once you tap this, creates bullish structure, I don't think you're coming back for at least 5,000 or 4,800, right? Maybe even all-time high. Does this make sense? Okay, let's see our trade here, guys. We came up to 20 and we're currently crawling from 14. I think you said you trade Asia Assassin. I do trade Asia Assassin as well, yes. Good evening, sir, from India. Hey, welcome. Welcome, Sam. I got $45 today, man. Thanks, man. Fire trade. When do you think silver will reach 300 this year? No, silver will take a longer time. First, you will see gold break out. Then you will see silver. Silver is going to follow gold for now. As we talked about, like at some point, silver will be independent. Silver will be the one that you go to. But it won't happen before 300 or 500 silver. At some points, IRP, everyone that had buy orders at 200 SMA, 60 pips away. Could this consolidate until Asia session? Definitely. Definitely, it could. It could. But I would personally like to see if we can come up and grab those orders in the 1 hour fair value gap now. I think it's gonna happen fairly quickly here. Don't you think so? We got a good bottom wick here. Now you got a fair value gap. You got two fair value gaps here, guys. Two fair value gaps. Look at that. Got a missing bottom wick here. A fair value gap. And then you got another one being formed here. It's not done yet, but potentially, right? Let's switch this music here. Bless you, man. I literally been writing everything down you say on paper. Give it. I think it's much easier for you to just go to my YouTube video and just watch it. Just watch it, man.
Get shit on, brother.
This video here, guys, is 1 month old, okay? I'm sending it to you now in the chat. Here you go. Here. I just sent it to you in the chat. This is the YouTube video. Guys, I sent this 1 month ago. Look where the 200 SMA was at back then. Look where it was at. And then see why I said I expect price to go to 3,500. That's why I said it. But now, 4,360 would be enough. 4,380. If 200 SMA comes up and meets it there, it's enough. Can I join now or is it too late? It's way too late, bro. We entered at 6 and 5 and 7. 6, 7 here. And now we came up to 20 and we are currently running up here to the hourly. Will you see it? Paul, did you reach out to the team? Or please watch the video, the YouTube video. I think you can also see it because you're watching me on YouTube, so you can just go to my YouTube channel and just see it there. Just watch it and then see if it aligns with your own analysis, because I think it will. And then look where I was drawing, like it might go up here, it might jump around here, and then look exactly what price did. It's a month ago, 1 month ago, guys. So everything happened exactly as said in that video. Beautiful partials taken. Nice, let's go. Almost tapped it again. Haven't tapped it yet. So close. It's like literally here. 21 to 28. I would like to fill it so we don't have to come back to it. What does pips mean? I explained it before, bro. It's the numbers between these numbers over here. So from 4,500 to 4,510, that'll be 100 pips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 black boxes here. That gives you 100 pips on a 0.01 lot trade. It would be $10. $10. These small black spaces here. Those are pips. Let's see, guys, if we can tap the hourly family gap. It's literally just here. You see that? But we did reject once, twice, 3. This could be the 4th time. If this is no bottom wick and it flips, of course, then it's not going to go there. But we have a 15-minute closure above here. Should take the last walk here. We're literally talking like 30 pips away. And midpoint here, like 90 pips away. So close. Price might fill the 10-year note. Moving closer to the opening gap. One of the slowest markets I witnessed in a while. Holy, yeah, it's accumulating. It's accumulating for the big buy. Hello, I didn't make the first deal. Will there be any second deal? Thank you. Yes, of course, bro. We just need to come up here in the hourly family gap. Price will swipe 4,621. Lots of liquidity above there. I hope so, Putra. I really hope so. I would like for price to come up and fill this. 28, 27. To be honest. My target is 43, bro. Buy side liquidity there, following a gap above that liquidity. Nice. Damn, I missed this one. Waiting for TP. My Bitcoin. Pips, points in percentage. That's correct, but I don't think that was what he was looking for. I think he was looking for what it means. Not what the name means, but what it is. Design and audio visual. Thank you for the subscription. That's interesting for you to follow me. Like I didn't know that your kind of work would be interested in like trading. like the silent audio visual sounds completely in a different world. But everyone is welcome to trade, of course. Currently what we're waiting for, bro, we are in this buy here from 6 and 7. We're risk free. We are running 110 pips, and now we're waiting for this hourly fair gap to show some kind of resistance. Right time to buy gold is when DXY can't break above 99.901. The right time to buy gold, bro, is when we touch the 200 SMA on gold. It's not far away. It's 1,000 pips. No, sorry. Wow, what am I saying? It's yeah, it is. Oh, sorry. 1,300 pips away. Which strategy do you use? Not really looking for much of a strategy. I'm just looking at price action. Price came down, swept this low. Then we had a 15-minute support here. We came up here, being very bullish. We didn't break the high, so it's still bearish for me. Come down here into this little bit of a bleed out here. Grab some liquidity. We took a buy, stop loss below here. And then now we are running up here. Targeted this 1 hour fair value gap here. Coming up here, grabbing some liquidity would be nice. I change really much, Harrison, depending on what I see in the market. Sometimes it can be order block, sometimes it can be fair level gap, sometimes it can be liquidity pocket, sometimes it can be sell side or buy side liquidity, sometimes it can be DXY or oil, it can be inflation, it can be news, it can be where I think that, you know, the market is gonna liquidate retail sellers. It can be the 200 SMA, it can be 9 SMA. I change to whatever I see. I adapt. I'm not a slave of the market. I simply adjust. Can we get up there, guys? 22 to 28. If it comes up here and grabs liquidity above here, I don't think it's just gonna stop here at 21. I think at least we would see 27, right? But if price wants to come up and sweep this, could go up here to 34. If it wants to sweep liquidity at 43, then we are breaking the trend line, so I don't think that's gonna happen, but yeah. When price falls to 11 to 10, I will buy. It's a discount area. Okay, bro. Good luck with that. I'm a seller, not a buyer at the moment. But once we grab that liquidity from that 200 SMA, right here, bro. Once we come down here, then I will buy. Not far away. I think it's gonna happen tomorrow, or it's gonna happen next week. Until then, I'm just selling. You use 200 SMA, bro? Yeah, I do. If you can follow on the daily, bro, you can see here how price has been following 200 SMA. We tapped it here back in August 2023. And then we followed it here. And then we have been bullish ever since. We haven't grabbed that liquidity for almost 3 years. Look how close we were here. And look how close we were here. Right there, when price came down to 4,000, we were 60 pips away. I'm expecting it to happen tomorrow or next week. We're so close. We also have a missing bottom wick right here. And there's a lot of liquidity down in this imbalance here, right here. So it makes sense. And if price keeps sloping up, and then we are going to be here, well, then I'm going to buy 4,400. I'm not going to buy gold before I get the 200 SMA. Because we haven't tapped it for years. So, since we were 60 pips off last time, we're going to hit it next week. Also, it's going to be June. Kevin Walsh is going to step in. I think a lot of liquidity is going to be taken as well. I'm going to sweep all the buyers back from 4,400 and 4,300. So it's going to be interesting. I'm going to be a buyer for the rest of 2026 for sure. For sure. But I need that liquidity first. How do you track the 200 SMA? I track it on the daily, bro. On the daily. Uta, do you use 200 SMA on the daily? Or you are a scalper or swing trader or day trader? What do you think about next FOMC meeting, bro? Fed will cut or keep the rates? I think they will do hikes. I think we're looking at rate hikes. That's also why I'm saying that bearish gold, 4,300, 4,400 makes sense. Coming down, tapping that 200 SMA. Trading bullish structure, coming up, reclaiming 4,500, then 4,700, then 5,000. And then from 5,000 to 5,400, I don't really care if it's gonna grab liquidity, get resistance, and come back down to 3,500, or if it's just gonna take a new all-time high, and then we're gonna end the year with 7,700. Something like that. What is elite package? 101 session, the academy. So elite package and 101 session is the difference is that is elite package is a VIP. VIP. The VIP is 1 month. Bro. 1 month, 149. But if you want 6 months, then it's 599. Then you get 50% off, or even 60% off, because you know you pay tax on top of that, right? So it's much better than paying 149 times 6 and then put tax on top, and then just pay for 599 for 6 months, right? That's the elite package. 101 session is just me and you having a 101 session. So you just tell me if you would like to learn about binary or forex or crypto or stocks or whatever it is. You can you know have me for 101 session.
Get shit on, brother.
And academy is the bootcamp. Thank you for the follow, Outlamed. You have time to trade yourself? Yes, I do. I'm trading myself, and I have copy trading, which is free, by the way. So if you want to join copy trading, I'm trading myself, and those trades will be copied to your account, which is going to be hands-free. So every time I trade, every time I take a TP, stop loss, entry, it will also happen on your account. So right now I'm trading, and I'm trading myself. I have a sell from 4,560, and I have a buy from 4,506. And you can see that 4,506 entry right here. We went risk free, went up 110 pips, and I'm waiting for either TP2 or to take more cells in this hourly family game. Seven attack. It's okay. Style Messiah. He can say what he wants. If he doesn't like my trading, he doesn't have to be here. He can just go to another trader if he wants. It's up to here. It's up to him. If he wants the free education, he can just take the free education. He doesn't have to pay anything. He doesn't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay anything. You can just be here for free every single Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Every single day. We left the Fabulous Gap here, guys. We have a missing bottom wick at 11. Thanks so much. You're welcome, Sadius. Let's see. Can we come down, guys? Grab some liquidity here. Grab some liquidity here. Do you use any indicators to verify momentum in your trades? The 9 EMA. The 9 EMA. Wait, let me just put it again. Put it again. Use the 9 SMA and 200 SMA. Let me just change it to 9 again. Give me a second. There we go. Yeah, I used the 9 EMA, the 9 SMA, and the 200 SMA to see if price is going back and forward between the levels that I have from my own indicator that I built myself. These are levels where the banks and the institutions most likely are buying and selling. As you can see here, we came down here to the buying zone here, and then we, even though we had a fake out here, came down here, closed here, then we came straight up again Closed above, closed above, closed above. Then we went from the buy zone into the midpoint. And currently now we're testing if we want to stay below the midpoint or come up to the sell zone. And the sell zone I have is between 29 and 21. So if we can come up to 29, I'll most likely be selling if I see a bearish candle. But also I would be looking for 28, 27, 26. Maybe 25 as well. So yes, I do have some indicators, but it's not like you know, it's not like the MACD or it's not like some of these like indicators online that people always like say, oh, with this you can get 100% win rate. No, it's just like following the weekly and the daily and the 4-hour trend. And then I look at the COT data as well, like where institutions and banks are selling and buying. For example, I told the stream here that right now there's 7,000 longs being accumulated, which tells us that we should go a little bit up to grab that liquidity to then come down for those buy orders. And I think those buy orders is going to be here between 4,300 and 4,400, where we have the 200 SMA at 4,365 at the moment. So I think once we come down and tap that 4,365, that we will see large institutions and banks buying. It's a very crucial level. Where do you think? When do you think we can sleep and then get up to trade Asia? If you can come up here and then, Reno, I know you are in VIP, so if you can come up here, activate the VIP trade, then you know you can go to sleep after going risk free after 100 pips, right? Once you have gone risk free, you can let it run and go to sleep. We're not there yet. We're almost there. How much spread? On my broker, I have a 0.03 spread. So if I enter at 5.10, most likely my spread will go to 10.28, maybe free, but that depends on news, right? But that's because I'm on STP STP account. I could also choose to go on an ECN account or a swap free account and then have zero spread, right? But then I pay for commissions. So I would rather pay for swap fee than commissions, because commissions I have to pay for every single trade. For swap fee, I only have to pay for holding trades overnight and weekends. So it depends on what people want, if they're going for low spread scalping or if they're going for long-term trading, swing trading, holding, right? I need some more water, guys. We're almost at the hourly family gap. What do you think about holding physical gold? Is it better? Long term, you should always hold physical gold. Yes. I have a lot of physical gold and a lot of physical silver as well. And it's just for long term, like holding it for 10, 15 years in gold and silver. Like probably gold is going to be at 10,000 or 20,000, and then silver is going to be at 300, 500 or 1,000, right? So it takes time, but that's what we do. It's like stocks and real estate, right? 5-year, 10-year span, like it's really gonna give you something long term if you can be patient enough to wait for it. That's why we also trade Forex, right? CFD, because when we trade Forex, we can get some money here now, right? Might take a day, might take 2 days or a week, but it's not gonna take 5 years or 10 years. So with Forex, with crypto, with futures, we can sell and buy whenever we want. With of course with confirmation, right? But with futures, sorry, with physical gold and silver, you can hold long term, like you do with stocks and real estate. Peace, how are you feeling? Does it have to come back to the family gap to keep going up? Not sure. If it does, we can be looking for a second buy here to go up to the hourly family gap. If it doesn't, then be very aware that if you take a sell here and it comes down here, that price might go up again, right? Because we are leaving this family gap here, we are leaving this missing bottom wick here. The price could come back down here. Good. But at the moment, you're still at my midpoint here and you're bouncing off it, so sell zone might be interesting. I can put a layer here, there, level here, and then if we break this, we might come down back down here. But Brian, I definitely think you should buy some physical and silver and gold. And especially here at 4,300, 4,400, 4,500. Definitely. Don't buy it when it's up at 4,800 or 5,000 or 5,600, right? If you buy here and price goes down to 3,500, you're still gonna have plenty of gold and silver, and your fortune is just gonna go a little bit down, but it's not crazy. Price is not gonna go back to 2,000 or 1,000 on gold again, right? So to buy it here between 300 and 500 for 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 10,000, 20,000 gold, 100% do it. For silver, I would like to see 48 first before I'm really gonna purchase more silver. But if it doesn't come down to 48, I mean, I'm not sad about it, right? I'm not mad about it. I have enough physical silver and gold to keep me running for a long time. Long time. And I think once we buy this dip on this correction and we start going up to all-time high again, and the VIP is going to make profit every single day, I think the VIP can also, you know, like the VIP members can also have a lot of money to buy physical silver and gold long term. So my goal right now is just to provide as much knowledge and education to VIP at the moment, and help them, you know, getting in for gold long term. And then here on Twitch, I can come here and you know, give you some trades. And if you guys are serious, you can join the VIP or join copy trading. But you can also just watch here for free. Guys, this is taking a long time. So once again, look for price to come up into the hourly. See some kind of rejections, create some structure, and then you can sell down. Okay. If price comes up to the trend line, you can also sell here, but it's just above here, right? Don't get FOMO. I will be going for VIP now. I promise VIP to go live again because I was not live yesterday. I wasn't live here as well on Twitch, but we've been in this trade for a long time. And guys, if it doesn't come back here, let it run. You can get in for sells here, but if it comes up, hits your stop loss, then let your buy run. Let your buy run. Okay. All right. Next TB is 530. If it takes out 530, then your next TB will be 5,552. Okay. TB free. Okay. that's it for me, guys. Reach out to my team if you have any questions, want to learn more, or reach out to me. And I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Or if I don't see you tomorrow, then have a great week, and I'll see you on Tuesday, okay? Love you guys. Take care. I will go on. Bye-bye.
Seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move.